You wanna know what? Men's style isn't as complicated as we make it out to be. It's actually quite simple if you think about it. Reality is that we as guys overcomplicate things in our brain, thinking we need these extravagant, intricate combinations and outfits to actually look stylish. No. I'm going to uncomplicate all of this and show you 7 of the best go-to menswear combinations you can make to always look stylish. Stuff is easy. The first go-to combination you can make is the camel coat with light colored jeans. I'm sure you've seen this all over Instagram already, and that's because it's such a great outfit to pull off. It's so easy to do, and literally any top you decide to pair it with, it's gonna look good. The only thing you're gonna wanna make sure you wear light colored jeans. It's the best contrast against the camel coat that's gonna give you that aesthetic, Instagrammable look that almost everybody's doing. Combination number 2, it's a classic, the flannel over the thermal or white t-shirt. These are just basically 2 classics smashed into one. Throwing a flannel over a white t-shirt is the easiest way to kind of like upgrade your style without looking like you're trying too hard. It's also great for the cooler days that don't require a sweater, but you'd still want to layer something. Actually, right now, Gap has a great sale going on with flannels. I picked a couple up for like 30 bucks and stocked up on them because they're just on sale. On top of that, since I have Honey on my browser when I was checking out, it automatically let me know that I could save 20%. So right now is the time to stock up on flannels if you're looking to do so. Not only are they ridiculously cheap right now because of Honey, I actually got them even cheaper, which is why I've always told you, you guys need to download this browser to your computer. Honey is an app or an extension that's absolutely 100% free that you can add to any of your computers. It only takes 2 clicks to download. I'm going to have it linked below so you guys can check it out, and automatically it works in the back end. Basically what it does is while you're online strolling through your regular websites and you're looking what to buy, it's working in the back end, looking for coupons that it can apply to make sure you're getting the best price possible online. If there are no coupons, it's gonna let you know that it's searched the web and there's no better deal, so you can shop without any regrets. And the great thing is that Honey's constantly updating itself, adding thousands of coupons all the time from different brands, saving customers millions. I actually read on a Time magazine article that they basically call Honey free money. Like, it's such a simple it's such a simple app. It's not obtrusive, it's not always spamming you. It only pops up when it's actually trying to save you money, which is when you want it to pop up. Another great example where it saved me a bunch of money, I was on Stadium Goods trying to buy some sneakers, and as I was checking out, I saved almost $80, again because of Honey. It just popped up, they told me there was a coupon, I applied it, saved 80 bucks at checkout. So if you guys want to check out Honey, like I said, it's a free extension. They're the sponsor of today's show. I'm going to have it linked below. It only takes 2 clicks to download, super simple, and it's free money. But that rolls us on to the third menswear combination, and it's the turtleneck with a suit. This is kind of one of those must-go combinations. It's super popular right now in menswear, especially for this winter time as we roll on to spring, and it's more of a stylish take as opposed to wearing your regular shirt like everybody else would. On top of that, it's a more kind of like sophisticated ensemble. The fourth combination, it's kind of a little bit more dressed down, but super popular right now. It's the leather jacket with a hoodie underneath. This is more popular in the streetwear scene, obviously made super mainstream by Kanye when he was spotted wearing this combination. The great thing with layering a hoodie under a leather jacket is just, it's simple, it doesn't take much thought, and it's casual. It doesn't look like you're trying too hard, and it just works. Both garments are casual and laid back, so it's a perfect syndication. The cool thing with the leather jacket that it's a 2-in-1, which rolls me on to the fifth combination, wearing a simple white t-shirt under a leather jacket. I call this the G-Easy approach. Instead of wearing that hoodie, swap it for a simple t-shirt. This is more of your everyday look. And the great thing about a leather jacket is that it gives you this type of versatility. So it's definitely a good investment piece to invest in right now. Not only do you get endless combinations like these go-to ones, you can actually pull it off on a daily basis. A leather jacket is meant to be a workhorse. You can wear it all the time, and the great thing is the more you wear it, the softer, the more character it builds, and the better it looks. Number 6 go-to combination, let's go back to the suit, and it's wearing a suit and sneakers. Now this was a trend that went wildly popular around 2013, and it's still something that's kind of like a go-to right now. It's almost like a modern classic. Now many menswear purists kind of hate the look, but personally I think it's great, especially for young guys that are trying to dress down a suit to not make it look so imposing or like you're trying too hard. Even better, Take off the top jacket, you don't have to wear it, and put on something more casual like a bomber, a sweater, or even a denim jacket. And finally, number 7, let's talk about another modern classic, the olive bomber under a tee. This one is, again, more streetwear inspired, and it's something that you can kind of play along with. It doesn't have to be a plain tee or a white one. It can be almost any tee you can think of, and some might even suggest using a graphic tee, something with a print to add a little bit more character and style to it. Again, this is super casual and laid back, so you don't have to take it too seriously. And that's basically it, boys. Those are 7 go-to style combinations you can always rely on, and be rest assured, you're going to look good, you're gonna look stylish. If you guys liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, don't forget to check out our sponsor, Hoodie. It's gonna be linked down below. That's it for me today. See you next time.